With sound.
With sound. Alright, so let's see this.
Smaller than anticipated.
Well, okay. We'll set him next to the box so we have like a comparison.
Yeah, they didn't give us batteries.
Alright then. Batteries not included.
He's bigger on the box.
Yeah, he's actually bigger on the box. Okay, so here we have what is in the box. We have 8 little yellow balls, the bear, and the gun. We're going to zoom in a little closer to the bear and flip him over, and you can see he does have that kind of high maintenance flap on the bottom where to get to the battery compartment you actually have to unscrew it. And if you're worried you won't be able to figure it out, it does come with instructions. At the base of the bear, we have a little screen that tells you how many balls you've fed the bear, and there's a little button there that you can use to reset it and also turn him on and off to conserve the battery. And to fill the gun, you just pop the balls in from the front, and the balls are, they're foam, but they're not soft like a Nerf foam. They're just barely squishy, but they're very lightweight. About the weight of a ping pong ball, but foam, not plastic. To fire the gun, you do need to build up air pressure. That does make the firing a bit unpredictable. I think it went okay.
Whoa! It didn't count it though.
It didn't?
You're wrecked.
As you can see, he makes a like boing noise when he gets hit. It's triggered by the tongue slapping the back of his mouth. So it does have to hit pretty hard. A lot of times it won't make the noise at all. You can see the balls accumulating in his stomach. Getting the balls out of the bear is super duper easy. Just turn him around and pull them out. No trapdoor or anything like that. So overall, cute little bear, cute little game, probably not going to be hours of entertainment. It is more fun to shoot the gun at other people than it is at the bear, but he is pretty cute. So we give him about 3.5 out of 5 stars.